What's up, everyone? I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm out here at River Place Nature Trail out in the west side of Austin, specifically on the Little Fern Trail. And this is actually a community that has graciously opened their space to the public. And during the week it's free. On the weekend it's $10 to come hike in here. So today's practice is designed to help us release anything that might be distracting us and to get better focus. And so we're doing a little bit of our purging exercises. We're going to build some chi, and then we're going to begin circulating it, focusing on the metal element. So what that looks like is white crane soaring, which is opening our lungs and helping us to clear that out, and then also the tiger. Ironically, making a video about focus, I'm out here where it's starting to pick up and get a little busier, so there's lots of people walking back and forth. So back to the practice. So the tiger is one that is really expanding. It's part of the 5-animal Daoyin, and this one is a little bit challenging because it's building up CO2 in our system. So it's a little bit of a breath exercise as well as a physical exercise. It's a little bit more, challenging than what some of the lighter flows that we do are. And then I'm also bringing in one called True Light that I really love, that just kind of symbolically feels like, finding your true north, getting your focus back. So today I am, really just focusing on kind of letting go of those things that are distracting us. I know there's a lot going on in the world that can really kind of draw us away from ourselves and what we really need and what we want and can offer to even make a meaningful impact in the world. So this practice is designed to sort of help you get set for that today and to be able to use your gifts to the greatest ability. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you on the practice. All right, let's start with some abdominal breathing. Fold your hands over the belly and take slow, deep breaths as you turn your attention to your breath. Now bend your arms at the elbows and lift your hands above your head into a wide stretch as you look up. And as you come back down, roll the shoulders and elbows forward in front of you, tucking your tailbone and softening your knees. You're going to repeat this. Inhale deeply on your way up, and exhale as you curl your body forward again. We're beginning with this slow, gentle movement just to wake up the spine and release any tension we may be feeling. Inhale as you come up, exhale as you come back forward. Now let's take this movement to one side, twisting as we come up, back to center as we come down, and move to the other side. And we're twisting at the waist, not the hips, staying mindful of our knees and keeping them facing forward. Inhale and exhale. Now let's get into a wide stance. Bend at the knees and lean forward with your hands on your thighs and gently twist to one side, looking over your shoulder and pushing off on the opposite leg. Hold the twist for a breath and switch to the other side. Just see if you can deepen that stretch each time. Good. Now, staying in that wide stance, wrap one hand around the other wrist as you straighten your legs and raise your arms above your head. Swing forward, keeping your legs and back straight, giving yourself a little stretch in the hamstrings. Bend the knees as you roll up, scanning your hands up the front of your body. Inhale and look up as you raise up. Exhale on the way down. This exercise is sometimes called a full body flow, as it's activating our entire body and a nice fluid motion and stretch. We're getting a good stretch inside the inner hamstrings to help us warm up for the tiger, which is an exercise we'll do later on. Next, we'll move into a purging exercise to help us shake off some brain fog, release tension, frustration, and any stagnant chi in our body. So make fists with both hands as you raise them up above your head, stretch your body upward, then swing them down in front of you as you bend the knees and come back forward. So you're coming up on your toes as you inhale on the way up and drop the heels and exhale with a sigh on the way down. So that's like imagine that you're holding your frustrations in your hands and then swinging them down, releasing them into the earth as you come back down. Now slow that down and we'll settle into the standing posture called Wuji. So place most of your weight on the front of your foot, soften your knees, let your tailbone drop by relaxing your lower back, and align your chest over the pelvis. Let it drop as you tuck your chin and raise your crown. Your palms are open and facing the ground just in front of you, fingers spread, elbows slightly wider than your hands, and you're going to place your tongue on the roof of your mouth, just creating a closed circuit for energy to flow throughout your body. So we're holding this just for about a minute, but if you ever want to hold it longer, feel free to pause the video and hold for 3, 5, or even 10 minutes. The more you practice this posture, you might even notice a feeling of like suppleness or fullness in your body. And this posture is helping us build chi to later move throughout our body in the next exercises. Now relax your body and touch your first finger with your thumb on each hand. As you open your arms wide, your palms face down, and as you bring your hands back together in front of you, your palms face upward. This is white crane soaring, and we're inhaling as we open our chest, exhale as you float the hands back together. Keep your knees soft and raise your body up as you open and then sink back down as you close in. Inhale and lift, exhale, soften back down. Good, now just float your wings back down. And we're going to get into a wide stance and bend our knees and form tiger paws with your hands. Lock your arms out in front of you. And then we're going to spiral our wrists out to the outside as you draw your hands back and up. And then press your hands forward from your chest as you exhale with the tiger's breath. So spiral again and draw back up. Hold, then exhale and press behind you. Spiral and inhale, hold, exhale, hold, spiral, inhale, hold, press behind you with an exhale, spiral and come up, hold, press forward, hold, spiral and inhale, hold, press back, spiral and come back up, hold, and then press it down, bringing the feet back together. We're going to close with the Tai Chi palm, so you're lifting your hands up above your head, wrap your hand around one thumb, forming a fist, slowly sink it down, just below the lower dantian. Take another deep breath and release with a sigh when you're ready. Nice. Now with your feet under your shoulders, arms out on either side with palms up as you raise your hands above your head, touch your fingers together, begin to pulse your hands into prayer position and out again. So sink your body down as you slowly pulse the hands together and raise up as you pulse out. Inhale on the way up, exhale on the way down. Now move the hands to in front of your heart and continue this pulsing motion. Inhale as you open up. Exhale as you come back down. Now move your hands to the lower dantian area and fold the hands over the belly. Step the feet together for bamboo in the wind. And we're going to breathe slowly as we just let our body sway and relax. Just allow that chi to circulate through our body. Now we'll slowly step it back out. We'll circle the belly, up the right, down the left, taking deep breaths. And then when you're ready, you can spiral just below the navel, taking a deep breath and letting it go with a sigh. Thanks for practicing with me today. If you like this practice and want more videos filmed in nature, visit my channel and check out this video where I practice qigong doing the 3 treasures on a paddleboard on Town Lake in Austin. And don't forget to subscribe.